on a bike on a wheelie. Hit the throw and go. Mike Willie through the city. Something you already know. Put the bike on 12. Drop back, just coast. Sit back, just watch. 50cc show.
We about to go get a smoothie. And yeah. I said they already know, so it's big fit. It's big fit. It's 90 degrees. That's why we're in right now. You know what I mean? They know, y'all know I got the Delta bitch on. I can't do nothing no more. So I just ride around to little, you know, get smoothies and stuff now. I can't do nothing else on my bike. Y'all know I put the big Delta bitch on it, so I can't do nothing no more. Thanks, y'all. That's cool. Alright, so I just got my smoothie. That was pretty good. Got the dinosaur. I haven't been able to practice wheelies like that because my exhaust, so I don't, all my old spots was like, you know, they was ducked off. I got to practice on Bang Barbie bike, so I was happy with that. So that was cool. So I got a little something, man. Not much. Just something. You heard the street bike? Yeah. Yo, what's going on? Oh man, we just out having fun. At this point, man, it's so damn hot. It's like I'm not ready for summer. I am not ready for summer. All I can say, man, night ride's coming soon. With the exhaust, the bike runs a little harder too. Oh, like, you talking about when they cool down?
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, I don't know. It just be breathing. Hey. But now we just enjoying our life, man. I hope y'all having a good day. I hope y'all enjoyed everything y'all did, you feel me? Staying positive, you feel me? Not letting nobody get on your nerves, you feel me? Woo! Yes, sir. I'll see y'all in the next episode on the only 50cc show.